Incorporating spirituality into your daily life can be a deeply personal journey. But here are some general tips that will help you connected with your higher self. 1. The art of listening and speaking. To answer before listening, that is folly and shame. Let's start with a simple yet profound truth. How often do we jump into conversations, itching to put forth our point without fully grasping what the other person is saying? This proverb is a gentle nudge, reminding us that the art of truly listening is often more powerful than speaking. Imagine a world where everyone listened to understand, not to reply. Revolutionary, isn't it? 2. The path of humility. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. In a world obsessed with self-promotion and personal branding, this proverb hits hard. It reminds us that true wisdom is often found in moments of humility. It's not about diminishing your worth, but about knowing that we are all students of life, constantly learning and growing. 3. The power of patience. Whoever is patient has great understanding, but one who is quick-tempered displays folly. Patience, in today's fast-paced world, is as rare as a unicorn, isn't it? But this proverb reminds us that there is immense strength in patience. It's not about being passive. It's about intelligent waiting. It's about understanding that good things take time, and that sometimes, not reacting immediately is the best reaction. 4. The wealth of kindness. A kind-hearted woman gains honor, but ruthless men gain only wealth. In a rat race for success and material wealth, this proverb is a gentle reminder of the wealth found in kindness and honor. It's an ode to the strength of compassion and the honor it brings, far surpassing material gains. 6. The strength in gentle words. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Imagine if we all mastered this. This proverb teaches us the power of gentle communication. It's not about suppressing your feelings, but about expressing them in a way that builds bridges rather than burns them. 7. The virtue of integrity. The integrity of the upright guides them, but the unfaithful are destroyed by their duplicity. In a world where cutting corners is often normalized, this proverb stands tall as a beacon of integrity. It reminds us that in the long run, it's our integrity that guides us and keeps us standing.